interested in new, clean technologies? The Hydrogen Excellence Program is designed to introduce you to renewable hydrogen production and fuel cells, two key drivers of the clean energy transition. Aimed at VET students at European Qualifications Framework levels 3 to 5, this course will give you the skills needed for a future in the growing hydrogen industry. Our course, Electrolysers and Fuel Cells, Operation and Maintenance, covers essential concepts and practical applications. Through 12 focused units, you'll learn about hydrogen production via water electrolysis, fuel cell technology, and key systems like alkaline and membrane-based technologies. The course emphasizes hands-on skills, exploring real-world applications, system testing, and the latest advances in both electrolysers and fuel cells. You'll build your knowledge with videos, quizzes, case studies, and interactive activities. By the end, you'll be equipped to thrive in a sector with immense potential. Unlock the power of hydrogen. Ignite your future with the H2 Excellence Program.